Say hello.
Hello.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Look at the camera. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Chimma here again. I'm preparing for church like I've always do on a normal day. You guys, you already know what we are in. We can't go to church at this time, but definitely I don't want to dull myself on a Sunday morning like this. I decided to prepare for church, wear my church dress, tie my duke and all, so tie my head tie and prepare to go to church in my sitting room. Okay, in my sitting room, not like I'm going to church like going out. I'll be attending church at home, but I want to dress exactly the way I'm going to dress while going to church. I already have a brow tutorial on my channel. I'm going to leave it up there so you can click and see how I achieve my brow. So let's get into the video. For the eyeshadows, I'll be going in with this Juvia's Place palette right here. This is their Sahara palette, and I'll be using these three colors. I'm going in with the orange color right here. Now I'm going in with the red, the light red here. And from this palette right here, I'll be going in with this dark brown. This is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I'll be using it for my under eye. For the eyeliner, I'll be using this, and this one is from Essence. It's their Super Last eyeliner. I'm done with the eyes. Yeah, I didn't apply lashes because when I go to church I don't normally wear eyelashes. So I'm doing exactly what I would do on a Sunday morning. Sometimes, not every day. Sometimes I go to church without wearing makeup on my face. My face, I'll be using these two foundations. This is the Maybelline Superstay foundation and the Milani foundation as well. The Milani 2-in-1 foundation. Since we've been asked to stay indoors, we need to look all glammed while preparing for church. So I hope you're going to do this with me, guys. I can't be alone, no. You should join me in doing this. Every Sunday morning, prepare like you're going to church. Prepare like you're going to church, guys. Make sure you apply your makeup. Whatever your routine is on a Sunday morning, make sure you're doing it as well during this period of the lockdown. Okay? To contour, I'm going to be using this Black Opal Stick foundation. To set my under eye, I'll be using this Juvia's Place Magic Setting Powder in the shade Sahara. We're almost done. To set my face, I'll be using this MAC Fizz Plus spray. To highlight, I'll be using the Juvia's Place highlighter also in the shade Royalty. For my lip, I'm going in with this lipstick. It's from Classic Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand. I'm just gonna quickly tie my hair tie, okay? Come, let them see you. Say hello.
Hello.
So guys, this is what I managed to come up with. I couldn't do more than this, okay? So I'm ready. I'm set to go to church in my sitting room. I'll be dancing to the Almighty God and thanking Him for the gift of life. Looking all slayed, yeah, in my sitting room. So send me your prayer request. Send me your prayer request so that I can intercede on your behalf. If you love this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, not thumbs down. Don't forget to like it, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be very, very grateful if you join my family. I need you to grow my channel, so hit that subscribe button, smash it, also click on the bell icon. Yeah, we've come to the end of this video. I will see you guys in my next one, okay? Bye, stay blessed and stay safe.